Hi, I'm Janet Bailey. Today we're going to make a really simple garden ornament. I've got a heap of pumice stone that I've collected at the beach. The other things that we need are threaded rod, some screws and washers and a cordless drill. It's definitely an outdoor activity because it gets really messy and dusty. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a threaded rod and also two drill bits. One that is a similar diameter to my threaded rod and then a much thinner one. This is my starter drill piece because I need to drill very carefully through the pumice. Next I'm going to get a washer and a hex nut, and I'm going to thread my hex nut on first onto my threaded rod. It's got to go all the way down to the level that I need it at. To measure how long I need to screw up my hex nut, I'll lie it beside my pile of pumice stones and screw up from the bottom to about the base of this bottom stone. Then I put my washer on. This will become the base of what my bottom stone sits on. Pumice stone can be tricky to drill through. It often feels really soft, like you're drilling through meringue, but sometimes you'll hit a hard spot and the whole stone will shatter. So I start with a smaller drill bit like this, drill all the way through. Now I'm putting on my thicker drill bit and I'll re-drill in the same hole. You need to go fairly carefully just to ensure that the hole doesn't shatter and the whole stone doesn't break. And there we have a full-sized hole. We continue through and drill all of our pre-drilled holes with the thicker drill bit. Okay, I'm going to start by threading on my biggest one first and then working through that way. And here's our finished item. So now it's time to put them in the garden.